Lovely, hang on. Next phone.
Oh, I like that, Bill. What's that?
All right, smile.
Very technical.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Okay, let's get this show on the road.
Oh, thanks, darling.
Alright.
Sit down, Chewie. Sit, Jacob.
Hi, Uncle Adam.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, when you
Uncle Dan. Uncle Dan.
Is that here, darling?
I feel a wagging
you
tail.
gotta call out their name.
Jacob, Maddie.
Maddie, where's they?
Don't be in a rush.
Maddie.
Slow it down, Tara.
What kid is this?
Thank you.
Wait, that's probably Mum's.
Here you go. You go through that one.
Oh, there's no, I could not find sticky tags anywhere.
Thank you, baby.
Oh, we had a whole heap here.
Oh.
So did you know?
Bruce, what letters on it? They notice there's
We
letters
need
on them.
that bag.
I'll go get it done.
Oh, thank you, sweetie.
Oh, Frankie, this
Go
one's
show it
yours.
to Mummy. She'll be able to show you.
Frankie, put yours over here, darling, until
Frankie.
until you
Frankie!
They're good at you.
Where are they?
This is my mom.
Yep.
Maddie.
Up on the right.
Yeah.
Mum's.
Maddie.
Oh,
Maddie's up there.
Tara, slow it down, mate.
Have you got a pile?
Just put it on the table. That's a girl.
Okay, this is to both of your parents.
Okay, pop it here.
Dad, you have to sit with Mum.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. This is for you and
Ah, nice. Thank you.
That's your dad.
And
Mum
Dad.
and Dad from Ruby and Frankie.
This is to Auntie Tom.
Thank you. We can open one side each.
Maddie.
Look how my glasses are
Yes,
done.
to Alex.
Oh,
You have one
relax.
side.
This is to Maddie.
Oh,
This is
Oh,
to
that's
my mum.
nice.
Oh, so is this. You like show me.
too much money though.
Okay, this is to your dad.
Oh, you always get
Oh, thank you.
Frankie, where's yours?
Oh, yummy.
Perfect.
This is to Uncle Angus. This is to Uncle Angus. This is to Ruby.
Uncle Angus down here.
This is to Frankie.
Frankie.
Frankie's are down there.
This is to Frankie.
There.
Yes. This is to Maddie. Yes.
Maddie, there you are.
Oh, Frankie. My goodness me, do you need all these presents after Santa's?
I have no idea.
Oh, they're just me.
Santa and Christmas only have
This
us
is
once
to
a
my
year.
mum.
Gotta make it work.
Who's is that one?
Mum.
Oh, thank you.
No, I don't know what
Oh,
now.
sorry.
This is to
Eh.
your mum.
Frankie. Where's Frankie's pile?
This is to Frankie.
Oh, thank you.
Jacob. Go big dog. This is to your dad.
Dad.
Frankie.
This is to
You
you.
know it says Frankie.
This is to my mum.
For me.
Don't drop it.
Great.
This is to Di. This is to my dad. This is to Alex. And so is this. This is to you.
Oh, me.
Oh my God.
Thank you. This is to my dad. Yep. This is to Uncle Dan. This is to
It's my pillow. Thank you, darling.
Bruce.
this is to your dad, and this is to Uncle Angus.
Angus.
Uncle Angus.
This is to Uncle Adam.
Yes, Mum.
Oh, yes.
Is that for Uncle Dan?
Oh.
Uncle
Oh,
Dan.
thank you, darling.
From Mum.
Thank you.
This is to Maddie.
Maddie.
Auntie Tom. This is to Alex.
Best Christmas ever. Or
This is to
gifts. That's what you get when you shop at Temu.
This is to Ruby. This is to Frankie.
Mickey.
Di.
Thank
This is to
you.
Alex.
Alex.
So there'll be no sunburn.
This is to my dad.
Hey, you're saying sunburn.
This is to Uncle Dan.
Oh, is this the air?
This is to Auntie Tom.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Army must
Yeah. Oh, thanks, you
This
sweetheart.
is to Uncle Angus.
Side holiday.
This is to Auntie Tom. Jacob. This is to
Needed one
Alex.
too. The motorhome.
This is to Adam.
Spell it?
This is to Adam.
Some new Jim Jam.
This is to Frankie. This is to Mum. This is to Maddie.
I know, good on my thing.
Oh, Lego pet.
What? Darling.
To Alex and Maddie.
Oh, no problem.
I thought it was ingredients.
Baby, you want more
Lego set.
This is to Alex.
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 This is to you.
Oh.
To your mum. This is to Maddie. Auntie Con.
Thank you.
This is to Uncle Dan. And so is this. Oh, wow. This is to Jacob. And so is this.
Oh my God, there's more.
Oh, thank you.
This is grapes. And then this one is to Chewy.
Oh, I know.
Just check the label before you open
And
it.
then what? Huh?
Oh, yeah.
This is to you.
Thank you.
Candle, please.
This is to Maddie.
Maddie.
Doing well.
Jacob.
Oh, like
To
the
Uncle
shot
Dan.
glasses.
Yes, this is to
I wonder
you.
where they came from. Who knows?
Timu.
Can you put those together?
Cameron.
No, that one's Sheen.
store, actually. Hey?
That one's Sheen.
store.
Me? Huh?
Yeah.
You.
Wait, this is...
Okay. Alex and Maddie.
Me.
Frankie.
Oh.
You smile with Sharky. Hold Sharky up.
Maddie.
Frankie. Thank you. Sharky's got a big smile as well.
There you go, Tom. How's that?
Very good, Mum.
These are for
You can wear it in a multitude of ways.
Hey, Angus, I'm a mussy.
Die.
That one's
Susie in a hoodie.
Oh,
Die.
This is to Alex. You. That's mine. That's it.
Alex.
Ruby.
Maddie.
Maddie.
Oh my God.
Maddie. Maddie.
Maddie.
Don't throw it, darling. Walk it over to her.
Wait,
Oh,
here's
I
the
forgot to
book.
write that note.
Frank.
I was still.
What's your
over there,
pile?
love.
Is this us?
Oh, this is another one.
Yeah, that's from home, that's just a birthday wrapping paper.
Oh, okay. It just says two dads love the girl. That's us? Oscar?
Thank you.
Dad?
Awesome.
Thank you.
I will enjoy getting my nails
the
done.
money clan, money clan. Oh, look at that.
This one's to
I
Angus.
thought we could use that today.
Angus.
Wow, that was big.
Lolly plate. Oh, even better.
Jacob.
Oh,
You can put it on my shoes, son.
very nice.
Uncle Adam?
Thank you, money clan.
And then Alex.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Ruby.
Oh, that's
Frankie.
you like that?
Maddie.
Maddie.
It's like an expensive one.
Alex.
Thank you.
Alex.
Dad, you can't steal my water bottle ever again.
Yeah, I need one.
Where's mine? Alex.
Mum. My mum. My mum.
Joanne?
Oh, thank you, Santa.
Frankie.
I hope that's what you wanted.
Yes, it is.
Mine. Mommy.
Okay.
This is
All right.
to.
I'll have Ruby.
Oh my gosh. And this is
Oh, I do have the receipt. Well, go through it later.
Wonder what it
No,
is.
I think I know how to do it.
Sunshade.
Yeah, thank you. That's brilliant.
Thank you.
Oh,
That's nice, Sue.
thank you.
Ruby.
darling.
Uncle Angus. And then this one's for Dad.
Who's that?
This one's for Ruby.
And that's why you do it.
We'll put that in Ruby's cup. This is for Alex.
Whose is this?
This is for Bribie's pie.
Hey?
Oh, it's mine. Thank you.
This is for your dad.
What?
David's at home. There's a game on the
These are
15th
both
of
for
March
Alex.
and there's one on the 18th of May.
So you get, this is for Auntie Joanne. This is for Uncle Dan and Uncle Adam. This is for me. This is for Dara. This is from Uncle Maddie.
I love mine. My one.
I still can't get it on the
This is for Alex. What's his name?
Give that to Dundee.
Present's hiding behind the chair.
Lovely.
Wow, Frankie, look at you go.
Oh my goodness. Oh, this one doesn't have a name. Who's the baby?
Your mum. Your mum.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
For my mum.
You should see what I did to your man.
No, Annie Rod, your mum.
Oh, I wrote pain on
Your mum, your mum.
This is to Jacob.
Mom,
Just got into the mum.
what's that?
Give it in here. Mum, why do you say my name? Frankie and Marie.
Did I have a set for us for the place I live in?
Her palsy.
Who's this one from? Marnie Clan. Thank you, Marnie Clan.
How's that?
Uncle Adam and Auntie Joanne. Huh? Billy. Oh, he's already got me.
I got it.
Alex?
Hey, did you open it up, Billy? Did you open the present up?
No, not just yet. I'll do it soon. Don't worry. Yeah, I'll do
For Uncle Dan.
it. I'm on it.
Is this from when I told you that
For
they
Adam. For Alex.
Before the thing falls out.
For Uncle Dan.
Oh, man.
Uncle Dan.
God, I've forgotten it. Oh, that's a kite, isn't it?
Uncle Dan.
Oh, that's
Okay, so you can be on
yeah. Go, girls.
Thanks, Tara.
That's okay, good job.
Yeah. Yes, I've been wanting this.
What's that?
It's like a headband.
Oh,
What's this?
Oh,
Yeah, I think they're done.